Silica alumina minerals are silicate minerals rich in silica aluminium components, with little or no magnesium ferric components, including quartz, feldspar, and feldspar-like. Alumina or ball press is a kind of equipment to press powder material into balls. Widely used can be silicon aluminium or powder, silicon aluminium or particles, silicon aluminium or ball, aluminium silicon particles, aluminium silicon ball, iron powder, aluminium ash powder, and other powdery materials are pressed into pellet or pellets. The purpose of alumina ball pressing machine is to reduce dust, control bulk density, return utilization, improve transportation characteristics. Silicon alumina or ball pressing machine is a high pressing force, good abrasion resistance, and easy demolding models. Silicon alumina or ball pressing machine is convenient, economic, fast design of the new ball pressing equipment.